Hey guys, I'm going to be taking you through how to DIY a mosquito net, like the modern mosquito net that has like a frame. Yeah, so I'm going to use PVC pipes, the normal ones that we can afford from the market, very affordable, and a thrifted mosquito net. So initially my budget was 1800 to 2000 Kenyan shillings, but I just thought about it and how I can go about it, and I saved more than a half of the money by using PVC pipes and a thrifted mosquito. So I'm gonna show you how I did it. So here I have this, is it a chisel or what? Just the small saw. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, I'm going to use this to cut the pipes into size that I want, and then I'm also going to be fixing them. So I know you do know this thing, and you can get it from the hardware. Normally it comes when these are four, like 1, 2, 3, and this thing is usually outside here, but I had already like began doing the DIY, so like I just burnt this portion and then bent it towards the inside after cutting here and here. So follow through, and I have these pieces, 4 of them. So after cutting into the size I want, like this is the place that goes to the shorter side of the bed, so I'm gonna be fixing it like this. Like this goes in here and it fits very perfectly, and then the other frame is gonna now go this way, the longer side of the bed, and the height to which I want my net to stand downwards. Then I'm going to ignore this, and later on I'll just cut it out. So I'll see how I'll cut it off. Away with this part so that it does not hurt my wall, like it doesn't scratch my wall. I do not want the paint to come off. I just want to maintain the texture of the wall until the day I'll be moving out, whether it's in years or months, I don't really care. This one, it came off, you see, like this was the part that was going in here, this was the part that was supposed to be going in. First of all, it was like this. I don't know how. It was initially like this, then we cut here and here to bend. But you see, it's not stable. It needs to be stuck with some fire or glue, which I'm going to do. my peeps, so here I am. I'm done fixing the frame, as you can see. Yeah, and this is a 3x6 frame. So I'm now going to show you how I'm going to place the net, because it's not like going to be placed like from on top. It has to pass through these rods, like the hanging hoops have to pass through this. Yeah, so let me show you. These two parts go here and here. So I'm here. I'm about to sleep, but I wanted to end this vlog by explaining to you how I saved enough, more than enough, by doing the DIY, opting for the DIY instead of purchasing from the stores. Yeah, so I'll begin with the details. I bought the joineries and the pipes, and it costed me in total 350 shillings. Yeah, because I used two pipes. Basically, one pipe was going at 150 shillings, so 300, and then the joineries all together, yeah, it came to 350. And then it depends with where you will buy. It will range in between 400 and 350. And then I went to the thrift market and then bought the mosquito net. The mosquito net at the stores were going for, without the frame, were going between 800 and 1100, but at the thrift place I got it at 250 shillings. So if you combine both, the total, it comes to 3, 4, 5, 600 bob in total. And out of 1,800 shillings, and tentatively actually 2,000 shillings, I saved more if you do the math. So that's why I opted for the DIY instead of purchasing from the store. I hope now you do get the essence, and see you in the next vlog for more. Hoping to see you soon. Bye. And from wherever you're watching this from, it's a good night for me. Oh my god. Okay, well, okay. I think I'm going to stretch for so long after this update. So something I forgot, and I ended the video way too early. I didn't know I had left out this part of measurements. So of course you already know I was making actually love this. Yeah, I love this. By the way, I did my own hair, and if you want to see how I did this, go to my previous vlog and you'll get to see. So yeah, back to what I wanted to tell you guys about this frame. How it was cut. Basically, I bought two pipes at 350 shillings because each was going at 150. And disclaimer, the price might vary either by a higher or a plus or a minus, depending on which hardware you source your pipes from. So yeah, that's what I wanted to put across. And also, one pipe, like this part and this, it's one pipe because it's 6 feet, 6 feet, and one pipe is already 13 feet. So if it's cut into two for 6 and 6, only 1 foot will remain. And then this is 3.25. It was marked at the hardware 3.25 feet, and then it was cut. That is the other pipe, completely finished. So how did I get this and this? I don't know. I wish you luck, but it just happened that they had a pipe that had broken, and it was almost 8 about around 7 and 8 feet, and they had told me to buy it, and I told them I really don't have money. So they gave it to me. They gave it to me for free. So if you consider that, then it means you're gonna be buying more pipe, you know, like 150 now times 3. That's going to be like, is it 450? I don't know. 500? No. Because I'm also counting the prices of this. This 4 came at 50 shillings. Yeah, if you buy in bulk, sometimes it will come up to 50 shillings or even less than 50 shillings, depending on where you're buying it. So 350 for the 2 pipe plus the joineries, and then this you're gonna add 150 shillings more. So that's coming to 3, 4, 500 basically. Yeah. So because I'm counting it, 300 plus 150 is 450 plus the 50 bob for the joineries, it's 500. So 500 plus 250 shillings is basically 750 shillings, and if you calculate from 2000 shillings, you can see how much was left. Okay, so that's what I wanted to clarify. I hope you are gonna borrow this idea if you are willing to. Especially my vlogs are for people living in single room apartments or single rooms. Yeah, basically for you to save space and for you to spend less but still make your house look bougie. Yeah, so bye guys, allow me to stretch. Ooh.